Alright guys, if you're interested in a body drop on a bus, I'm working on a 69 bay window bus and we're doing a 3-inch body drop, and looks like we're probably going to do a 2-inch motor raise on top of that so we can really get this thing sitting on the ground. So if you are interested, follow along on these next probably couple episodes here of doing the body drop on this thing, and we'll get right into it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, and don't forget to like and subscribe, follow along on this build series here. We're already, I think, 9 episodes in, and will be a lot more to come. It's a pretty extensive build, so let's get into it. Alright guys, what's up? It's Saturday morning. We got Eric here. Say hi, Eric. And today we are working on the bus. Oh yeah, so we got the bus on the new, the rolly thingy, I'm calling it. And I kind of got some ideas off of the Samba, and CAD designed this whole thing and got it on there. Works awesome, and so really gives us access to get in there and work on this stuff. And so we're gonna get this belly pan off, get the heater channel thingies out, and then we're gonna start thinking about what we got to do the body drop. We're gonna be body dropping 3 to 4 inches, and yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this series. I'm enjoying filming it and showing you guys what we're doing on this thing, and it's a lot of work, so follow along. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them for me, and I like to read them and answer them. And that's it, let's get going. All right, we got Wayne working over here. He's working on taking this front lip out on the floor, and we're gonna that's going to get raised up to 3 inches with the body drop. So basically that's staying there and the body's moving down. If I could picture, that's there and the body's going to go, and that's going to end up there like that. If that makes any sense. Remove this center panel here, the belly pan. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Oh yeah. Oh, still got a little attachment right there. All right, we are about to make the first body drop cut right there. And cut there, and then this whole thing's gonna move down with it so that the bumpers can still bolt up in that part. I don't even know where the bumpers bolt. Those are the bumper bolts. We got this belly pan off. All the spot welds drilled out. We're contemplating up here, and a bunch more parts just came in from the bus depot, and we're gonna make a cut here too. All right, let's do this.
You can always go back.
Wait, Eric, wait.
What?
Are you sure you want to do that?
Yep.
Okay. Just like that.
Ka-chow.
Ka-chow. Wow, look how far it's spread out. Huh. It's got a little, it's been doinked a few times. Not exactly flat. All right, well that was almost too easy. I think we're gonna have this body drop done by the end of the day, Eric. Get it. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for this music playing in the background. All right, we'll keep moving. All right, so I just cut this wheel all the way here. That's the driver's side. So here, Eric, I'm gonna hand that off to you. And then now I'm gonna cut this back edge up in here. You think I can just start right here?
I would start, yeah, right there. You want the longer bit?
Well, I think I need to do a slice with the grinder. Safety first, kids. Alright, I'm just going to follow that line there. God damn it. This is all getting replaced with the Vanagon door, so...
So you're just leaving the very ends?
Huh?
You're just leaving the very ends for support, or?
Well, this here, we're going to have to cut this way now from the inside.
Yeah.
We'll cut it out there, so that's all good there. And then, I suppose we'll have to cut up there too. That Vanagon door actually goes all the way to here too. It's like almost too far, but we should be able to, because we still want to be able to get that door in there for the fuel tank. That firewall covered. But we just need to cut there, and then I suppose I could make that cut here now while I can see where I want to cut. Alright, so just I'm not showing every cut I'm making as far as me doing it, but so I just made this cut right along here. I'm gonna go in here and show. So that cut is just in front of this guy here, which is like this thing that holds the firewall panel in, so I didn't want to go any far past that. I gotta finish sawzalling through this part, and then that Vanagon panel should fit in there. And we've already cut out through here the wheel well on both sides. Now I'm going to cut up through here from the inside, and then we should be pretty free back here. So we already had this cut that we did from the inside. Now I'm going to finish cutting along here and down. And we got to go up and around the gas thing there. We got the bus supported with these 2x4s, so we're holding the body up. And I know what you're saying, it should have a bunch of cross braces and shit, but I don't think we need it. Guess we'll find out. Alright, major cutting happening here. You might be scared right now, as I am. We're working on the gas door right now. Eric's marking that out. We're going to cut out around the body, and that gas door is going to move up. Whew, a lot of work to do here. Lots of work. Whose idea was this? For reals. Boom. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're going to cut along here. We're going to cut 3 inches down, cut along here, and then here, And then the body's gonna move down. This line will come down to there. This is actually gonna stay in position, and the body's gonna come down to it, the 3 inches. And then I'll have to make a patch panel to go in there, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, but whatever. Final cut here. We got it all cut along there, all cut off. Oh yeah, here you go, Eric. Uh-oh. All right, we're in the last cut here of this body drop. Let's do it. Here. Alright, if all goes well, should be free. And I'm poopity pooped. Man, where did all this metal come from? That's a scrap pile right there. Look at that. All metal there, never got painted. Alright, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you at the next one. This might be part 1 of the body drop, maybe part 2. Hi, Gavin. Hello. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hands are super dirty. And appreciate you guys watching. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Peace.